Pull the trigger hard. Keep it on there. There, now one more little touch and that's it. Whoa, that's it. Perfect, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Perfect, right in the middle. Make sure you're in the straight line there and you'll be good. Yep, right there in the middle. I got that, don't worry, I got that. That's it, perfect, that's it, no more. And do the next one. Yeah, do the next one. Nope, yep, right there in the middle. Yes, sir. Right in the middle, there you go. Hit it hard. Yeah, that's good, perfect. Do that last one. You all right? Make sure you're straight on the one before you're good. You can just push on it hard and do it. Fast, fast. Perfect, there you go.